Hi guys, welcome to today's video where I'll be covering 3 really helpful tips I use when working with Google Workspace. I work for a UK-based e-commerce company and Google Workspace is what we use to communicate, share documents and have remote meetings. You'll likely already be aware of Gmail, which in Google Workspace is the central hub for communication with staff across the business I work in. So if your company uses Google Workspace, make sure you stay watching because you'll definitely learn something that will make your day feel a lot less stressful and put you in control. So let's get into the video. Tip number 1, staying on top of document notifications. If you're the owner of a document in Google Workspace, for example a Google Sheets or Google Slides document, as soon as you share this sheet with other people, you'll be notified whenever they start communicating via the comments facility in the document. If it's a really large project you're working on, the constant stream of notifications can get really tiring, especially if you've integrated Google Drive within Slack, meaning you'll get notifications of activity there as well as emails constantly coming into your inbox. Head to the Tools menu in your document, select Notification Settings and then Comment Notifications. Here you'll be able to amend how you'd like to be notified whenever someone comments on your sheet. This tip brought me so much peace once I discovered it. Tip 2, utilizing your document's edit history. Colleagues will often make changes to documents I create and share with them. Instead of having to chase people to check on any amendments they've made or find any information that may have been deleted, select File, Version History, and then See Version History. This will display your document alongside a menu of dates changes were made and who made them. Clicking on any one of these options will also highlight where in the document the change took place. Now this has proven to be such a useful feature if you have a large file being worked on by lots of people. Tip 3, take advantage of Google Drive offline. Now it's really annoying when you're working on a file and you lose internet connection. When this happens, you can't make any changes to the file until you have connection again, unless you've enabled offline access. This lets you carry on working despite being disconnected. Now, this is only a feature if you're using Google Chrome rather than any other browser, so do bear that in mind. To do this, head to the File menu in whichever Google Doc you're in and select Make Available Offline. You have to also make sure you've enabled this function in your Google Drive settings too. Simply head to your Google Drive dashboard, select Settings, then tick the Enable Offline box. Now finally, you also need to make sure that you're signed into your Google account so that these will be the saved settings if you ever need to use this function. This tip might seem insignificant, but trust me, there's been so many times that I'm doing important work that is then cut short because my internet goes, so it's really worth keeping in mind. So that's all for today's video, guys. I'd be really interested to hear if you have any interesting tips working in Google Workspace, so make sure you comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another video.